Hey folks, what is cracking, man? I'm the Credit Savage. Welcome to my channel where I like to talk about traveling for free and doing so by using credit card sign up bonuses to the fullest potential so that when you do get those nice addendums and perks by being already in the game with those credit cards, you can maximize on all those rewards and thus travel for free or stay somewhere using one of the hotel cards for free once you do take that trip by yourself or with a significant other. Now, I'm very happy to make this video today because just got something in the mail and I'm totally excited to do the unboxing, quote unquote, of this beautiful baby right here. Man, what do I have here? What do I have here? Well, this is the Alska Airlines Visa signature card, man. And I'm happy to get this baby. I'm very excited to get it because I already made a video on how I think this is probably the best low-key airline credit card out there because it does come with a $75 annual fee, but it definitely pays for itself. If you are going to travel at least once this year and, say you by yourself or with a significant other, you have a best friend, that you guys travel with, this makes perfect sense because it comes with a buddy pass. It comes definitely with a companion pass, and you can definitely go anywhere that Alska Airlines goes as long as you buy that ticket with your credit card. That person can travel for $99 anywhere, and then a $22 tax fee. So that's $121. Say you're living somewhere in New York or the Midwest, and you're trying to go to Hawaii. Flights can get up to like $1,400, $1,500 per fare, and so guess what? You now can go to Hawaii with somebody for $1,600 and split the difference. $800 each instead of $1,400 a person. That makes this one of the best credit cards out there. And I am just, I'm going to open it up. So let's get to it, guys, because I'm very excited, man. Let's check it out. Let's do it, baby. Let's do it. All right. I'm excited. Oh, yes. Oh, yeah. Here we go. It's over now, baby. Yes, sir. Woo! All right. Let me just, put a little bit of marker here because, I trust you guys, but you never know, man. There's a couple of horror stories I heard, and although I know my subs are definitely, people that are legit, there's always that, 0.0001% of, of a possibility that you could be somebody crazy out there, and I'm not trying to do all that. So, as we can see, oh, this is a beautiful, nice little card here, and let's see here. Let me just work my magic, and here we go. All right, so here it is. As you can tell, this is the card itself, and beautifulness, man. Look at this. Woo-wee! Boom! There it is. Nice little Visa signature card, and it's telling me that, I have a total credit line of $21,000, and portion of credit available for cash is $6,300, which is, thank you, Bank of America. I guess they think I'm worthy, so I'm probably going to lower that credit line just because I'm looking to get another Alska card, and, I don't want them to say, no, you have too much credit. There is such thing as that. They can't deny you for having too much credit. So if you lower your credit line a bit, it helps you out sometimes when you're trying to apply for another credit card with that specific bank. And I know Bank of America is usually kind of cool when you lower your credit line and apply for, an additional Alska Airline card. The reason why I'm going to apply for another one of these babies right here is because I do have a bigger family, and it just makes sense for me. If you follow me, you know that I'm definitely about getting credit cards that are keeper cards, and I like to save as much money as possible. And it seems like, although I wouldn't be, accruing a ridiculous amount of miles with this credit card by using it for everyday spend, it's like I'm getting my points kind of like way ahead of the game and up front. Let me explain. So it does come with a companion fare, right? There's no wording that says that you can only have one, per person. And so I'm going to apply for another credit card probably in the next month or two. And so that I can, then purchase, another fare with another buddy pass or travel certificate. And so the great thing about this credit card is that you don't have to be the one flying when you buy a companion fare. So let's say I can buy something for my wife, and then as long as I use my credit card to pay for that flight, well then this baby right here is gonna then be able to be used for a companion fare, which is my daughter or my son will be her companion, and then the other one is myself. I buy my fare with the other credit card, and then use that companion fare for my son or my daughter, and so on and so forth. So thus saving us a ridiculous amount of money. We go to Seattle, we go to Hawaii, we have family in Hawaii, so it makes sense for us. But Alaska travels to Mexico, man, and we like Mexico. My wife loves it. They travel to Central America, even South America. So we like to travel. And before I got into the credit card game, I was spending, I was okay spending money for vacations. But now I can spend money and save, which is ridiculous to me. If you do the math, right? Personally for me would be, let's say we're, going to buy fares that are in the $1,400 range for Hawaii. Well, now we're going to, 4 fares instead of paying would be 28 times 4 would be $5,600. Instead of paying $5,600 for flights to Hawaii, we're now going to pay around $3,100. So that's a ridiculous amount of savings. That's a ridiculous amount of savings with these cards just by paying the $75 annual fee. Now, mind you, that this credit card comes with a $100 credit statement credit already attached to it. So I'm not paying anything for this year, and my wife is not either. Okay, so right then and there, we're coming ahead of the game. And so as long as we use this credit card and we hit that $2,000 minimum spend within the next cycle, the companion fare is unlocked. So then right then and there we can then use the credit cards to buy our fares to Hawaii. And guess what, man? Those fares, we're gonna get a 3x for every dollar spent. So we're gonna get $40,000 miles once we unlock the travel certificate by hitting the $2,000 spend minimum within 3 months. And so every dollar we spend in Alaska is 3x. So then we're going to get 3x on that, the additional fare, the additional miles. So then I'm going to have 80,000 plus 40 for my wife. That's going to be 120,000 Alaska Airlines. Sorry, I'm having a little, miles. So I'm going to have airline miles. And so, right, those are really, 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 really good miles to have, because I value them at 2.5 cents, to 3 cents per mile. So whenever we do decide to use those miles to travel somewhere, we are going to do it for free. So we're not just, we're not just using these to their fullest potential. We're coming out ahead of the game, and that's the name of the game. With the Alaska Airline Visa signature card. And I'm just really happy that I'm able to share this moment with you guys, because a Bank of America, let me just say, you have to have a good credit score. It's got to be in the 750 area if you want to apply for the Alaska Visa signature card by Bank of America. But this comes with a nice credit score. They're explaining my credit score and the interest rate, and how much my score dropped by applying for this card, which is still really strong. I'm still at a 756. So the interest is high here, so you don't want to pay any interest. As soon as you make those purchases, pay it right off the bat, so you don't have to worry about any type of interest. But yeah, man, I'm totally excited. I'm putting this card to work right away, and I just can't wait to get those travel certificates so that we can end up just doing the thing, and that's what this is about. This right here, that's the bonus that this came with. As you can see, introductory offer is 40,000 miles for $2,000 in purchase in the first 90 days, $100 statement credit, and a round trip coach companion fare for $121. And guess what? It doesn't matter how much you spend for that companion fare. It could be $2,000, $3,000. Doesn't matter, because as long as I buy that fare at a specific price, automatically this companion is going with me for $121, baby. And that's the name of the game. That's why we do this. I'm so excited because I'm sharing this with you guys, and I'm about to put this baby to work. I got some expenses. I assure you, by the next 2 weeks, I'm hitting that minimum spend. And guess what? That's it, baby. That's the name of the game. I'm going to apply for another one, and that way you're going to see your boy in Hawaii, this next Christmas, hopefully. And I'll make a video. I'm definitely going to tell you guys, that whole rundown and how things work. I'm probably going to do a video on how to use the, that certificate that the companion fare is, and how to go about it on the Alska Airlines website. And I think some people have actually asked some questions, and I'll be more than glad, to address those at that time. Until then, I'm the Credit Savage, baby. You guys take care. Ask any questions you want pertaining to this card. I'll be more than glad to answer them in the comments. If I said something that clicks with you, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Costs you nothing. Helps me out with the algo. You guys take care and see you in the next one. Do keep in mind that cash is king, yes, but credit is obviously power, baby.